Where is bee? Yes. Where is dog? Dog. Yes, it's right. And where is horse? Horse. Okay, it's good. Where is penguin? Yes. Where is rabbit? Rabbit. Where is sheep? Sheep. Where is sheep? Yes, you're right. And where is buffalo? Buffalo. Yes, perfect. It's nice. Where is hen? Hen? Where is it? Hen. You see, you look around and see find hen for daddy. Hen. Where? Hen? Where is it? No, it's not. It's not hen. Where is it? Hen? Hen. Again, you find it. You look around, find it. Hey, where is hen? Hen. Hen say quack. Hen. Where is it? Okay, no problem. Where is cow? Cow. Yes, it's good. Where is goat? Yes. Where is eagle? Yes, it's perfect. Where is ant? Ant? Yes. And now where is butterfly? Yes. Where is mosquito? Mosquito who bites you in the evening. Mosquito, where is it? Yes. Now where is spider? Yes. Where is dragonfly? Dragonfly. Yes, it's right. Where is parrot? A kind of bird flying in the sky. Is perfect. Where is dove? Dove, a kind of bird. Yes. Where is hen? Hen who make egg? No, hen. Where is hen? Yes. And the last one, what is it? Fly. Yes, perfect. Isn't it good?